Hi guys, it's Yas and welcome to my YouTube channel Techify. So guys, today's our topic is how to download and install AnyDesk in your laptop. So guys, it's very easy process. So let's get started. So guys, for that simply open Google Chrome. Now type in search bar AnyDesk. Now simply click on first link. And here you can see the option of download now. So simply click on it. So guys, here you can see our setup starts downloading. So wait for it. So guys, here you can see our setup has been downloaded. So simply close this. Now simply open File Explorer. Click on Downloads. So guys, this is the AnyDesk setup. So simply double click on it. So guys, here you can see AnyDesk has been downloaded. So guys, first you have to create here account. So from here you can create your account. Here you can see written login to AnyDesk. So if you already have an account, so you can simply log in. But if you don't have an account, so you can see written register account. So simply click on it and create your new account. And then here you can see written enter remote address. So here you can see written your address. So this is my computer address. So if you want to access any computer, so you have to enter this type of address here to access that computer. So guys, here you can see we have downloaded and installed AnyDesk in our laptop. I hope you will find this video informative. If you like it, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Bye, have a great day.